Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is a sheet of number 12 cotton duck canvas, a scrap, which I'm going to use to create an oil painting. At some point I measured it, and I measured 33 by 30, which means I can probably fit a canvas size of 26 by 26. I was after a square canvas anyway. And although 26 by 26 isn't as big as I would like, it'll work. These are what's called medium weight stretcher bars, which means they're not very thick at all, which means they're going to need a little help. Because when you stretch number 12 canvas, it tends to really shrink. Okay, so there's our square. So when this is being pulled and stretched, and then I get it wet with the sizing and it starts to shrink and get really flat and tight like a drum, these medium weight stretchers might curve in. They're just not that strong. So what I plan to do, and what any artist would do, is add stretcher braces. Instead of buying them though, I'm going to make them. That's basically what this video is about, is me making these braces. They're going to go like this. They're going to have semi-lap joints there and a full lap joint in the middle, so that they'll be one thickness. And they're not going to be glued in, they're just going to be screwed down, because at some point me or somebody else might want to work on the maintenance of this painting, and these would be in the way. So they would just need to be unscrewed. Okay, so that's the plan. The actual lap joint is only going to go in about 1/4 of an inch, so there'll be a little under half an inch on top of the actual back of the frame, and it's only going to go in about this far. I don't want this facing part of the brackets to get too close to the actual canvas surface, which is on the other side, because when you paint on canvas, it tends to go in a little bit, and you don't want to have it touch the brackets, because it'll leave a ghost in the paint, which is a pain in the ass to deal with. So to avoid that, like I said, I'm only going to go down 1/4 of an inch, enough to give it lateral support, and also enough where I can drill for a screw. And when I do fit them in place, the top corner is going to be lopped off to make it easier for me to stretch the canvas in the 4 places where it might be a problem. turns out I'm just a little bit off. I've already marked it. Not bad. Okay, next up, my Rikon bandsaw to cut out the notches for the lap. There. Okay, so I need 4 screws to screw the brace into the stretcher frame. Here's my little collection of odds and ends. Those look good. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. These will work. I did a video previously about how to make one of these. Link in the description below. I've already squared this up. This is 4 90-degree corners ready to go. It's just now a matter of drilling a pilot hole and then screwing these down. A little countersink bit to make sure the screws lie flat on the back. There we go, ready for stretching of the canvas and sizing, priming, and painting.